Our target is to give just like a house environment to anyone. It's a four-star hotel, and most of the times people are not able to go to the doctor in today's environment, and doctors are also not ready to see the patient. So we wanted to create an environment where the doctors are available on a call, nurses are there for you for any call, and you have been monitored regularly, which is not been done at house for so many people. So that 80 to 85% are recovery. People are recovering from that place, and they are not getting into oxygen requirement and ventilator phase. So our target is those 85% people only. At least if we can help those 85% people, that will be a big chunk of people we can help. That is our target. Basic package for a single occupancy we are giving for 40,000 rupees, and if it is a double occupancy we are charging 30,000 rupees. For example, in a family there are two people who have gone it and they both want to stay at the same time at the same room. So we have a double bedroom facility where two people can accommodate, and we will be giving them all the medicines free. Basic medicines all are free to the patient. 3 times meal is free, high tea, morning tea. Then we are giving soup. All nutritious food, we have made a chart from our doctor's consultation. We have a Jain caterer who will be giving a pure vegetarian food, and we have kept for emergency. We have oxygen also here. For example, any patient comes under little emergency, immediately he or she will be given oxygen, and we have a 24 hours ambulance placed here outside. You can see, and we have two drivers, one for the afternoon shift, one for the night shift. They will be taking them to the nearest hospital or wherever the family members. We will also try, and their family members will also try. Wherever they get a bed for in the hospital, we will shift them there. Till there, we are arranging everything from our side. Ambulance charge will be different. Ambulance charge they need to pay on the basic charges, just petrol charges they have to pay. We are not charging as per the market. It's not a commercial activity. That is for 100% sure. We are not running any commercial activity. No, it gives a lot of satisfaction that we can give back to the society. It's a time for us to return back to the society. We have earned from this place, from Hyderabad. Now we want to return back to our Hyderabadi people. We owe them basically. It's not that we are doing anything obligation. We owe them.